Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Use needle nose pliers to remove the wire cap. Use a 5 mm hex key to loosen the screw that secures the shift cable. Pull out the shift cable. Pry out 3 rubber plugs. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the upper shell of the electronic shifter. Remove the upper shell. Pull out the inner shift cable. Align with the wire hole and thread the inner shift cable through. Install the waterproof ring of the upper shell. Install the upper shell. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Install the largest rubber plug in the lower left corner. Install the rubber plug with 2 grooves on the top. Install the rubber plug at the lower right corner. Thread the shift cable through the derailleur. Clip it into the cable groove. Tighten the screw after pulling the wire harness taut and straight. Torque 7 N. Use crimping pliers to install the wire cap. Keep the chain rotating. If the chain jumps automatically, use the app to fine-tune the gears. If the chain skips upwards, click the minus sign for adjustment. If the chain skips downwards, click the plus sign for adjustment. Switch gears up and down to ensure the chain rotates normally. Check that there is no friction noise from the chain and no outward chain derailment.